Alrighty then, we're back at it again. I don't really know what Miku's doing right now, but either way, welcome back everyone. Today, we were going to be doing one of my favorite songs in the game, so I'm excited for that. That means it's a hard one, but oh well. So, before we do that, I'm going to turn down the music, because I don't want the autoplay thing to sort of spoil things. We'll be getting into that one in a second. What I want to show off is this theater tab. There's technically two things you can do with it, but for now I just want to show that if you go on it, it'll give you like a little gist of what each song is about. So, you know, we have this pop-tastic love song. It's guaranteed to make you smile at the first listen. There's one other thing that I'll talk about in 1 second. A cheery love song sung by Rin. This pastry chef of love might just enchant you with her sweet magic. And then the last one we just did, this broken-hearted girl hides from the light at the bottom of the sea. Can she find a way to regain her lost color? So, there are meaning. You will not be able to tell from the lyrics because they did not give us English translations. They just translated the Japanese directly, and, you know, it's fine. You can find this stuff online. But anyway, today's song is Animal Fortune Telling. Fancy illustrations give an interesting, contrasting backdrop for a song about awkward, bittersweet love. It's a fun one. But before we get into it, there's one more thing. Here you can also see the singer, or not the singer, the person who wrote the song. Because technically, one big thing with Vocaloid is these are not like Hatsune Miku, Rin songs. They are technically, written by Junkie, for example, and then featuring the singer Rin. So, or KZ wrote Finder, featuring Hatsune Miku. So that's kind of like how it is. That's kind of like the formation. I don't even know how to explain it. The formation, the notation of how these songs kind of work. One other thing, this song is kind of a big deal because it's the first time where you can technically, we'll get into costuming later, but it's the first time you can technically change the singer. And I'm pretty confident that this game is at least the first time it happened. I think when some of these songs got moved on to other games, they let you change singers too, but I think this is the first one. And really, arguably, the only one, because no new songs that have come out from new games have really let you do this. But this is just a cool feature. As you can see, this song you can play with Miku, Rin, as well as two people we have not met yet, and probably won't meet for a little bit because they don't get songs for a while. When this happens, I'm probably just going to pick the original singer. But, I'll make note of it whenever it happens. So anyway, I've been dawdling enough time. Let's get into Animal Fortune Telling, which is, again, one of my favorite songs. Ah, darn. Yeah, this song is weirdly specific. You have to do, like, super perfect in order to get an S rank. It is possible, but oh well. Anyway, oh, that's a fun one. Little difficult at times. It's definitely the hardest song. In fact, I think it is the hardest song we've done up till this point. Yes, it is. The hardest hard song, so, again, I guess more pro players will probably tell you that this is easy, which, you know, in comparison to some of the songs, yes. But anyway. Anyway, so there's that song, and then next, yeah, there you go. So that's it for now. Next time it's exciting, we get to meet a third character, so get ready for that. So, anyway. Yeah, with that, thanks for watching. See ya, bye-bye.